What is it? Nayadachi. It is a chicken. Naya itokai. What are you doing? Ko wadachi. I am boiling the chicken. Ku tato hau tokai. Why are you boiling this chicken? Walicha ko hau tokai no. Because I am cooking this chicken for dinner. We hai tia ku hau tokai no wa mo. You like to eat boiling chicken? Ko nhia no ngai kai hau lo? Yes, I like it. Nhia ku nhia ke ho. Who taught you how to boil chicken? Leng tu phe ko hau ngai kai. It was my grandma. Nu ya ku po. This boiling chicken looks delicious. To kai hau no ji ka hing? Yes, it is. Yo ka hing ho.